Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a HUAWEI Nova HI, and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So actually we've got two different ways to check those numbers. The first one is using a secret code and the second is using the settings, and of course I'll show you both. So let's begin with the fastest one. Let's enter the dialer and let's enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let's tap on OK and let me show you a little longer way to check those numbers if for some reason the secret code won't work. So let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone. And now let's scroll down a little bit to find both IMEI numbers. And if you'd like to check the serial number, you have to tap on the status, and the serial number is right here. So actually this is it. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your HUAWEI Nova 8i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.